Hello class, I'm your teacher Manav and I'm going to teach you how to draw vegetables. Before getting into the direct shape of a vegetable, let's say a bottle gourd, a brinjal, ladyfinger or a tomato, we have to follow a basic structure of the vegetable. Like in bottle gourd we have a rectangle, in brinjal we have a egg-like shape or a oval. In ladyfinger, we have a long end triangle and a short end triangle. And for tomato, we have a circle, right? So we'll carve the final shape from these shapes. Let us find for the bottle gourd first. We'll create a rectangle. Then we'll add these domes onto the rectangle like this. Now we can see here is a inward curve and an outward curve. Inward is on the upper side and downward is the bottom side. So we'll do this to our drawing. Now we'll connect these arches using another arch like this. Now we have a cap here which is a triangular shape. We'll draw a triangle. We'll add a rectangle for the hook and we'll draw a hook above the rectangle. Once we get to the shape, we'll erase the structure drawing which we drew like the rectangle in this case. Well, you must be thinking like what is the necessity of drawing the basic structure of this vegetable? It is easy to draw, but things come in handy when we have to teach the drawing to the students. They learn this easy way. So now the other vegetable of ours is brinjal. We'll draw a rough oval shape for the brinjal. We'll mark a guideline for our cap. Now we'll divide the brinjal into almost 1/5 so that we can add the cap of brinjal this way. Now we'll extend these lines to the center line and make a hook above like this. Now using this center line, we'll measure the distance and create an oval which will be equal on both sides. Here is a brinjal. Let me highlight it for you for a better understanding. Now moving on to the next vegetable which is ladyfinger. We'll draw a triangle. Now we'll draw another line closer to the bottom one. So this will look something like two triangles. Now we'll make equilateral triangle like this and also another triangle with an edge on the top like this. Now we'll add a square over it and a dome on the top. Now let us refine the shape and make it like a lead finger. Like we did with the bottle guard, we'll draw curved lines on the curve on the bottom side. We'll do this with the middle line also. Here we go. Now we'll erase the guidelines or the basic shape we drew earlier. And here your ladyfinger is also ready. In the next class, we will learn how to color these vegetables using pencil color, oil pastel, and watercolors. See you in the next class.